Have you ever wondered how to make your work easier, faster, and more efficient? Today we're diving into a world of ingenious tools and equipment designed to do just that. Whether you're a professional tradesperson, a DIY enthusiast, or simply curious about the latest innovations, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore a range of gadgets that can revolutionize the way you tackle tasks, from simple repairs to complex projects. Let's get started. Number 1. Circuit Breaker Finder. Imagine having a tool that can instantly identify which breaker controls each outlet in your home or workspace. This compact device not only saves time, but also prevents accidental power outages and ensures electrical safety. Priced affordably at just $30, it's a must-have for anyone dealing with electrical systems. Designed for ease of use, it's equipped to handle GFCI-protected outlets and operates on 4 AAA batteries, perfectly suited for environments using 120-volt outlets like those in the USA and Canada. It even includes a handy adapter. Number 2. Multifunction Contour Gauge. Designed to streamline the process of copying shapes for precise cuts, this tool is a game-changer for interior finishing and crafting. Resembling a snake in appearance, it combines the functionalities of a ruler and protractor into one versatile device. Originating from China, where innovation meets efficiency, it weighs a manageable 2.2 pounds and costs approximately $50. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, it simplifies the trimming and fitting of materials like linoleum, wood, and tiles, making it indispensable in any workshop or project site. Number 3. Conquest All-Terrain Ladder. Meet the ladder that adapts to any environment with ease. Built from durable fiberglass, it boasts a maximum reach of 22 feet and supports a substantial 300-pound weight capacity. Designed for versatility, it includes adjustable outriggers for stability on uneven surfaces and features wheels for easy portability. Priced at $510, it's a robust investment suitable for emergency services, warehouse work, and various industrial applications. The ladder's ergonomic design and safety features ensure both efficiency and peace of mind in demanding work environments. Number 4. FEDA Valifter Manhole Opener. From Italy comes a revolutionary tool designed to simplify the opening of manholes with safety and efficiency in mind. Engineered for solo operation, its patented mechanism ensures secure handling and eliminates the risk of back injuries. The tool weighs 20 pounds and supports a maximum load of 309 pounds, making it robust yet portable. Featuring an ergonomic design with wheels for easy transportation, it's a must-have for utility workers and maintenance professionals. Priced competitively at $309, it combines practicality with innovative engineering for seamless operation. Number 5. Worx Registered Trademark Nitro Trademark 20V Paint Sprayer. Winner of the esteemed Plus X Award, this cordless paint sprayer sets new standards in versatility and performance. Ideal for both beginners and seasoned professionals, it accommodates a 34-ounce paint container and includes 4 nozzles for various applications, from primer to wood stain. Priced at $200, it features variable speed control for precise application and easy cleanup, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Compatible with other Worx registered trademark products, its ergonomic design and user-friendly features ensure efficiency and professional quality results with every use. Number 6. Greenlee Overhead Remote Cutter. Addressing the complex needs of electrical repairs, this remote-controlled cutter stands out for its precision and versatility. Equipped with hydraulic capabilities and Bluetooth connectivity, it effortlessly rotates 350 degrees for precise cutting of aluminum conductors and steel-reinforced cables. Weighing just 4.85 pounds, it's designed for portability and ease of use across diverse environments. The cutter's ergonomic design and compatibility with all models in its series ensure reliability and efficiency in critical repair tasks. Priced around $4,000, it's an investment in safety and productivity for professional electricians and maintenance teams. Number 7. Draper Fence Wire Tensioning Tool. Crafted in the UK, this specialized tool revolutionizes the process of tensioning barbed wire fences with precision and ease. Made from durable carbon steel, it boasts an overall length of 30 inches, including a 23.6-inch handle for comfortable grip and leverage. Priced affordably at $71, it's designed to handle wires up to 0.2 inches in diameter, ensuring secure and uniform tensioning across fence lines. Ideal for agricultural and fencing applications, its robust construction and ergonomic features make it an essential tool for any professional or DIY enthusiast. Number 8. Simso Hole Punching Tool. Hailing from a country renowned for engineering excellence, this hydraulic hole puncher delivers unmatched precision in metalworking. Available in manual and cordless versions, it generates up to 75 kilonewtons of force, effortlessly creating clean, burr-free holes in various metals. Designed for efficiency and durability, it includes multiple attachments for versatile applications, ensuring smooth operation without compromising on quality. Priced at approximately $2,000, it's a valuable investment for professionals seeking reliable performance and superior results in industrial and construction settings. Number 9. Homemade Sheet Metal Bender. Crafted ingeniously from recycled materials by a skilled artisan in Poland, this homemade sheet metal bender showcases creativity and practicality. Designed for bending sheets up to 0.04 inches thick, it demonstrates that effective tools can be crafted from everyday materials. With a simple yet effective design, it offers a cost-effective solution for small-scale metalworking projects, proving that innovation knows no boundaries. Praised for its functionality and eco-friendly approach, it's a testament to craftsmanship and resourcefulness in the workshop. Number 10. Barber Sandman 850 Beach Cleaner. Protecting coastal environments has never been easier with the Sandman 850, designed to swiftly clean beaches of debris. Powered by a reliable 5.5 horsepower Honda engine, it covers a width of 33 inches and cleans to a depth of 4 inches, effectively removing trash such as plastic, glass, and cigarette butts. Priced at $5,000, it's equipped with robust features for durability and efficiency, making it an invaluable asset for beach maintenance and environmental preservation efforts worldwide. Number 11. Klappa Floor Master 130. Engineered to streamline the application of semi-dry screed, the FloorMaster 130 is a robotic solution for construction professionals. Capable of covering up to 1076 square feet per hour, it navigates doorways and slopes with ease, ensuring even distribution of screed mix. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it weighs 143 pounds and offers intuitive operation via remote control. Priced at approximately $17,000, it represents a significant investment in efficiency and ergonomic design, minimizing strain on workers while maximizing productivity in construction projects. Number 12. Eder Trogholer Chainsaw Attachment. From Germany comes an innovative chainsaw attachment designed for precision woodworking tasks. Featuring circular blades for longitudinal and transverse machining, it enhances the versatility of standard chainsaws for shaping and milling wood. Weighing 4.4 pounds and priced at $485, it offers quick chip removal and efficient performance, making it ideal for professionals and woodworking enthusiasts alike. With a focus on precision and durability, it ensures superior results in timber harvesting and specialized woodworking projects, catering to the demands of modern craftsmanship and innovation. These tools represent more than just gadgets, they're game changers. Whether you're tackling home projects or managing professional tasks, investing in the right equipment can save time, enhance safety, and elevate your craftsmanship. Each tool we've explored offers unique benefits, from precision cutting to efficient cleaning and beyond. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe for more insights and reviews. Let us know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep building, creating, and exploring new possibilities in your work. See you in the next video.